Alright, so a little update on the GSXR here. So I took the what's this called, the forks off. So I just made this thing right here because I didn't know how to fucking put it up there, but here we are. And then here is the front fork. I just have to take off the other side over here, and then here's the tire. We're also getting a new tire. As you can see, it's cooked. Brakes, I think it just needs a little bit of cleaning here and there. And then on the front brakes, yeah, definitely needs some brake clean pretty soon. And then over here too, it has a little bit of life left, so we'll run it for now. But fork seals are cooked and front tires are cooked, so that's what we're replacing. And then right now I'm gonna have to take off the rear tire as well, because as you can see, it's also cooked. And then the chain and sprocket and everything, that's also has to be replaced, so we're getting a new one of that too. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen today. So just so that we could ride it like nicely and like not worry about dying, and then worry about the cosmetics after. So okay, so there we are. Boom. Forks off. Boom. And then on the chain here, the chain is looking rough. And then the sprocket right here, I'm gonna replace that as well. Chain, gold chain, put back to 16 tooth. And then the rear is a 42. I don't know, I think that's like a 45 right now. And then the old front one was a 15. And then this is the old chain. Where is it? Old chain. Look at these. The bearing is pretty much gone. It's actually like just the sleeve inside there, and there's other ones over here. Yeah, so right there and right there, yeah, all the bearings are gone, all is shaky, whatever. And then we've got this new gold chain here, looking nice. I'll have to clean the inside there. I'll probably clean that later, but right now it should be fine. And then yeah, I just got all the tires brand new. I got fairings and whatever. I'm gonna put that all in there. And then the forks is still in the shop. I still have to do that. And then the new front tire came here as well. And then, you know, it's a work in progress right now, but I'm just gonna put the rear end back together. And then after all that, get it clean, put the fairings on, and then wait for the guy to finish the forks, and we should have a good, let's say, safe motorcycle back on the street. So yeah, I have to clean all the leaking and whatever. I think it's leaking from this thing right here, so do an oil change and everything. I have all the parts for that too. And yeah, we out here. Alright, so we got these shiny new parts here. It's for the brakes and whatever. Is for this thing right here. They painted over it. It's broken. And then we have this side. That's where it is. So I'll put that on right now. I'm gonna install it. It's gonna be nice, shiny, black. That's crazy, but alright. So I got the brake pedal on the driver's side, or let's just say on the right side of the motorcycle here. I kind of janked the brake light. I do not know how to, I don't know where to put it actually, to be honest, to try and put this thing that they came with. It's called FXCNC, but on the left side though, all this, everything, the shifter lever, this thing and this thing, it all works perfectly good. Over here, what I did, they come with the spacer right there, right in there, and then I put the bolt through, and I put in the shortest one so there's like a really quick like shift. And then over here on this side, there is supposed to be, I think, a washer in between this one. So that's what I put, because it's a swivel. So I would say that's where it's supposed to be. The only thing is, it just doesn't have this brake thing here yet again. And then here it is FX CNC Racing, and the chain and everything is forgot what it was, is niche. So he bought like what's it supposed to be, like the stock everything for a GSXR, and then we got that, the niche one, fits everything. I just adjusted it maybe like to the half length. There's like a really big length thing right there. I think that's where it's supposed to start, but I don't know yet till I put it on the ground. But yeah, everything should be done right now with all the aftermarket stuff. But I would say it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. And yeah, I don't know. It fits pretty good. Like all of this Heim joints and whatever, they fit right on the stock ones. And the only complaint is the brake light switch. I don't know where to put it actually. That's why I'm just like confused. So I just kind of jerry-rigged something up for right now until I do a little bit more research. But I don't know. I think this one, I think when it moves or something, I have no clue. But is it supposed to be right there? I have no clue. But anyways, now everything is good. The rear end is pretty much good now. Just the front end now. I have to do that. I think I'm gonna do the forks and the front tire, everything, and the fairings tomorrow, because it's kind of getting late. I'm not really late, but you know what I mean. I've been working on this thing for quite a bit of time, so I just want to relax and try to have fun with my motorcycle right here. But here it is. Here's the new shifter for the GSXR 600, and yeah, everything fits good. He just bought it from Amazon. Everything, I would say 10 out of 10. It's good. But yeah. That's actually works. That actually works. Holy fuck. Damn. Let's go. Really?
Yeah, it's due for maintenance. The 1K, the break-in.
Okay. Take it off, man. What? You put it back up.
You're like, I want a video.
Let's go. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That's good.
I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look that bad, like, naked
Yeah,
either.
normal, yeah. It's like half naked, half not.
Yeah. I'm just waiting, dude. I cannot wait until those fairings come in. Until they each, eh?
Yeah.
No, yeah.
You're gonna buy slider like Nasif?
Maybe.
No,
Did you tell him about Nasif?
Yo.
Who, bro? His friend who's got a Gixxer too.
Yeah.
He picked up a Gixxer for him.
Yeah.
He ate shit in front of him.
I drove it back for him and everything, and then
You're cruising.
we were cruising. And
8th Street. That's cruise weekend.
oh yeah, it was during cruise weekend,
Friday.
and we hit River Landing, and at the lights we were making a left, and the light turned yellow. Me and him slowed down.
He was gunning it.
and he was gunning it. So we're like, okay, just commit. He's gonna go. We can catch up to him. No, he looks back, locks his rear brakes,
And front.
and then front, and then just flips.
yeah.
It was wild.
That's okay. Let's drive this.
Let's ride this.
Yeah.
Shut up, bro.
Hopefully everything's tight. Just
We'll
kidding.
find out. We'll find out.
Hopefully.
Oh, bro, it feels weird sitting on a sport bike. It feels good. It feels weird.
yeah.
My legs are all high up now, and it's like
Yeah, it's higher. It's like an inch and something higher too.
because of new tires.
No, because of the new pegs.
Oh.
Yeah. From stock it was higher already.
Yeah.
And there's adjustment that you can go higher.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, I meant like the bike itself.
Yeah, that too.
It's gonna feel so weird riding this. Oh my god, but it's so light.
Yeah. Try it from big, yeah.
No,
It works, right?
I had like none for a second.
Yeah. Oh, is it? Oh.
Okay.
There you go.
I was like, oh, where did it go?
Okay, he did. Dude! Dude!
Hell yeah. Dude, everything feels so tight on it.
Yeah?
Compared to your bike, like
Yeah.
riding the Goldwing.
Like, it's like less clunky.
Dude, it's gonna start hurting my wrist. You know why? I'm so used to the lax
Yeah.
on like the Goldwing. That like you turn this and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, it takes effort.
Yeah. Cause yeah, we have to lube up the chain, the stuff and whatever. But
Yeah. So I just need to buy the throttle cable.
two. There's two.
So I need to buy two.
Two and then a two. Just buy the two.
Okay.
Cause the plastic inside is also broken.
Okay.
Yeah.
By the way, what's
Great
that,
success.
what's that red light mean?
I don't know. It was on before.
Oh.
It was on before. Like, what?
No, okay.
I don't know what that is.
No,
We
I
have
don't
to
even
do
know what
some
it means.
research.
I was just curious what it meant. I don't care about anything else. Like, bike runs. That's it.
Yeah. That's it. The settings. The
ABS,
settings
traction
unknown.
control.
Track
Unlike these
control.
old school where
Yeah.
we don't have any of that.
He's actually gonna do it. Okay, he's gonna try to do a wheelie, guys. And I just what's this called? What's that called? Pressure? Well, peer pressured him
Peer
into
pressured
it.
him.
I peer pressured him into it. Wow! That was a good wheelie, man. It went up a little bit, like an inch. Nice!
I mean,
Good wheelie, man.
It's still better than
Good
me,
wheelie.
Look, the
Hindi, ano, ganun talaga yan. Running light yung isa, tapos high beam yung isa. Yeah! We did it! Let's go!
I tried, bro. I tried.
No, it was an inch, yeah?
What's it up?
A little bit.
Oh no!
I don't know. I'm not
What was
really-
it? When
why
we-
can-
when we
why
were
can I
cruising
flat
with
foot the
Michael,
bike
it went up
now?
higher.
I don't know.
Did I grow taller?
I don't know.
Well, okay. And then on top, it's like, bro, this bike is like light
Yeah.
compared to the Gold. Oh my god,
Yeah.
dude, your Goldwing is so heavy.
Yeah. It's nice.
A month of training my legs, bro. I've
Yeah.
been preparing for
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
I can just move it with ease now.
Do you want the spare parts of it or whatever? Or are you just gonna grab it one next time?
I'll just grab it next time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you need gas?
Huh?
Do you need gas?
Probably this one. We put a full tank, but
We put a full tank a while ago, but
yeah, we
I'll
don't
probably
know.
toss in some gas when I'm on the way home.
Yeah, I need gas too.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Like right now, or do you think you can make it to like at least our area?
You'll make it to your area, bro.
Yeah,
It's a fucking bike, man.
I know, but I mean, I don't know. Like 8th Street maybe?
Okay.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay. Okay. Can't do a wheelie though.
Bro, I have been begging this guy, yo, let's go for a ride. Let's go for a ride. Let's go for a ride.
Bro, my buddy fucking drove my bike. Don't worry. I'll grab it. I'll grab it later.
Well, you have the Goldwing now.
Nah, I can't wheelie that thing.
You can if you try. I've
Oh,
seen some chick
I
on
tried. I tried.
it. I'm not gonna lie, so
Real
did I.
hard.
So did I. I like popped that clutch. The bike did nothing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyways, bye bye.
Peace out.
Bye bye.